first up, this road is awesome. I think the only problem with it is they brought the speed down to 80, or maybe it's always been like that, which means you're constantly looking down to see how fast you're going, because you go 80 very easily. Or maybe there's been too many accidents around here that they had to do that, but I'm finding I have to really be careful because I seem to go over very easily, which means I'm spending more time looking down than actually looking at the road. But nonetheless, beautiful place. A few years ago we were here as well with a few mates, and there was someone who was sort of chasing one of my mates, trying to keep up, and I think he crashed just here into the side rail, but back then there was no extra rail at the bottom, so his bike actually slid under the rail and sort of got stuck in there. So it took a couple of guys just to pull it out. So I think they might have changed that now, just as a safety measure, because that's pretty scary if you get stuck underneath. And we're back in the 100 zone, sort of longer sweepers, these ones. I think they've done a lot of upgrading on the roads since last time I've been here, because some parts are very smooth. The whole trip I haven't seen any cops, surprisingly. I would have expected more cops to be out because it's, you know, beautiful weather, but it hasn't been so far. I have a bite to eat. Just saw the first cop, by the way. Nothing. Nothing. This used to be gravel. I'm not the only one, that's for sure. Bikes. Looks like the Victory Club was there. Awesome looking bikes, but I have no idea how you keep those things clean. Alright, time to go home. If you live in Sydney, you haven't been here, I highly suggest you go check it out. Great place, very good vibe. It looks like you're allowed to camp here as well, something to keep in mind. Good old copper. That also to me means turn around. The other way of signalling there's a copper is tapping your helmet on top, but this bloke, I guess he is a bit more old school. Let's see where this copper hangs out. Oh, that's dangerous, mate. Not really the best place to do a Yui. Bloody hell.